Now to other news today. The chief judge for the Indiana Supreme Court held a security meeting today, urging judges across the state to stay vigilant. This comes just days after Judge Steve Meyer and his wife were shot and injured at their home in Lafayette. And tonight, some newly unsealed court records reveal one of the 5 people charged in connection to that shooting was scheduled to go on trial this week before Judge Meyer. Our investigative reporter Bennett Haberly has dug through the court records today and explains this complex web that's involved here. Bennett?
Yeah, Alex, these court records spell out what appears to be an elaborate plot to derail the trial of a man named Thomas G. Moss. Authorities say that Moss and 4 other people arrested face a variety of charges in this attempted murder case involving the judge. They include ties to an outlaw motorcycle gang and a failed attempt to bribe one of the witnesses with money if she would agree to not testify at Moss's trial.
Let's start here at the crime scene, the Lafayette, Indiana home of Judge Steve Meyer and his wife, Kim. Newly released court records state that Raylan Ferguson is the suspected gunman who fired multiple shots through the front door on Sunday, January 18th. Just prior to that shooting, the Meyers reported receiving a knock from a man stating he was looking for his dog. A message relayed on this dispatch call.
They advised there was a knock on the door. Someone advised we have your dog, and then a shot came through the door.
2 days earlier, on January 16th, the Meyers reported experiencing what they described as a suspicious incident, where a man who authorities say had the same distinct walk, gait, pants, and shoes as Ferguson approached their home saying he had a food delivery. Judge Meyer told him he had the wrong house. DNA found on a mask near the crime scene matched Ferguson, and authorities say the shotgun located had been sold weeks earlier to this man, Blake Smith. Smith, authorities say, is connected to Thomas G. Moss through the Phantom Motorcycle Club. And police say Moss, who previously served prison time in Indiana on battery charges, also has ties to the Vice Lords gang. Moss is the person who was set to go on trial this week in front of Judge Meyer for a 2024 case. Court records reviewed by NBC5 Investigates show a key witness in the 2024 case is a woman who once shared an apartment with Moss. And during a recorded phone call she later shared with police, the woman said that Moss told her she was, quote, a slave, made threats to hit her in the head with a stick, and told her to send him her paycheck. The woman said she submitted to his demands due to threats against her. That same woman told authorities earlier this month, just days before the judge and his wife were shot, that a woman identified in court records as Amanda Millsap came to her Pennsylvania home and said that Moss and the Vice Lords wanted to pay her $10,000 in exchange for her agreeing to not testify in the upcoming trial. The woman, court records show, did not entertain that offer.
Now, they have appointed a new judge to oversee this upcoming case. We reached out to the law firm associated with Moss. They declined to comment. We also tried to reach out to the other people charged in this case. In 2023, by the way, there were 214 Indiana judges who were surveyed. 150 of them, Alex, said that they too had received threats.